Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For dinner today, I'm cooking this ground beef with potatoes. So it's ground beef and it's one of the most budget friendly and easy to make meal. So I'm just cutting my potatoes into thin slices like that. I just cut the potatoes. So in an oven tray, I'm just going to brush my tray with some oil. So just brush around with oil. So just brush all the corners with oil. All right, that's done. Now I'm going to put my potatoes in a layer. So I've used 5 potatoes, guys. So now I'm going to season my potatoes. So just sprinkle some salt, a teaspoon of salt, and then a teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So now I'm going to bake in the oven for about 25 minutes. So while my potatoes are baking, I'm going to add I'm going to cook ground beef. So 500 grams of ground beef, which I'm going to cook. So for now, I'm just going to break it down using a wooden spoon. So guys, this is a budget meal because I bought this ground beef for about $5, and then the potatoes were like $2. So this is something you can do. You can cook as a budget meal to feed the family. So now I'm adding garlic, just fresh garlic, guys, about nice and mixed. While this is cooking, I'm going to add some paprika, salt, a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. If you've got beef seasoning, you can add beef seasoning, but I've just got chicken seasoning. And then cook this together. Guys, feel free to add whatever seasoning you prefer or seasoning that you like. For me, this is the seasoning I have in my pantry, and I'm just using what I have. And I've just added a little bit of water, like half a cup of water, just to create the sauce, and just bring this to boil until the sauce thickens. All right, guys, the potatoes are cooked, and now I'm just going to add the mince that I've cooked. Just add on top. So just like that. Just pour the mince mixture. All right, guys. So now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. All right, guys, in the oven for about 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. All right, I'll come back and show you how the dinner looks. So this is how I cook my ground beef with potatoes. Thank you for watching.